Hey, what's up guys, how you all doing? I'm Paul the Tech Giant and welcome back to the channel, where today I'm going to give you a little hotel tour and room tour of where we are staying in New York. And the place that we are staying is right here, the Riu Plaza, New York Times Square. So as you can see, it looks absolutely stunning at night. Now I just want to point out one thing, this is the Riu Plaza, New York Times Square, and there is another one of these which is about a 5-minute walk from here, and it is the Riu Plaza, Manhattan. So yeah, don't get confused with that. A lot of people have made that mistake when it comes to leaving reviews for this place, thinking that the breakfast restaurant is on the 5th floor, but no, that's at the other hotel, not this one. So if you are looking at reviews, this one has the restaurant on the ground floor, so make sure you don't make that mistake like many others have. So anyway, let's take a walk inside and I'll show you what it's like. So yeah, beautiful entrance to this place. Let's take a walk inside. Real nice big Christmas tree there because we are visiting in the end of November. Yeah, real nicely decorated in there. Now through here you have got a little coffee shop where you can go and get obviously coffees and some pastries. Over here we got a bar. Just quickly go into the bar in here for a quick look. There you go. Won't disturb too many people, so we've got reception just over here. Again, looks really nice. Love the lighting in there. Lots of seating as well, so if you're checking out late you can sit down here with your suitcase, and you've got some Christmas decorations outside. Normally that's the seating area I think for summer use. As you can see, we've got some seats piled up out there. Down here we've got lifts as well. And what I'm going to do is take you downstairs because it actually has got a gym as well. So let's take a walk down here. Beautifully decorated down there. Let's just go into the gym. Hiya. So yeah, nice little gym down here. Nice selection of free weights as well. So anyway, let's head on upstairs and to our room. Right then guys, so a bit of a turn of events. Now I was planning on doing just a standard room tour here, but unfortunately I had a bit of an accident. So the missus was in the shower and she called me over, went to walk over to where the shower is, and I slipped on the floor. Seems the shower was leaking and the water had leaked out into the hallway. I didn't know this, barefooted, and I slipped and I smashed my shoulder into the door, fell on the floor. And yeah, I had to go to the medical centre. They already checked me out, done some x-rays. Anyway, we spoke to the hotel about what happened and they're very apologetic, and they've actually given us an upgrade. So what I'm going to do is just quickly show you the room that we're in at the moment. So as you can see, it's a very nice room indeed. And that is the view out of our window at the moment, and that's as much as we get. We don't get any other perks. I mean, we get breakfast included in this stay, but anyway, we're going to head on up to the other room and see what the view is like from up there. And yeah, I've got a surprise to show you guys because we get a bit of a bonus. Okie dokie, so we have now changed rooms. Now our original room was on the 4th floor and now we're on the 26th floor. So the room itself is, well, pretty much exactly the same, and I'll give you a bit of a tour of that in a minute. But now just check this view out. Yeah, we are proper up in the rafters here. Really high up. It's spinning me out a bit, but yeah, a much better view. So let's give you a bit of a room tour then. So starting off, we've got a little fridge there with some complimentary stuff in it. Then we've got our bedside units there, phone, notepad and pen. Then this very nice headboard, so we've got lights either side. Nice picture there of the New York skyline. Love the colour scheme here with the purple. Moving over to this side, nice purple seat, little desk area there. Now above that we've got a light as well to help you when you're working. Then moving across and we have the 55-inch TV. Then we've got the controls there for the air conditioning. And through here is the bathroom, and as you can see we've got this frosted glass. Only downside with this is, so whilst you can't really see anyone in the shower because that's what's on the other side, it's at night. If you go to the toilet and you turn the light on, the whole thing lights up like a Christmas tree, flooding the whole room with light, which can disturb your partner if they're in bed sleeping. Moving on then, and just walking on down the corridor, got a mirror to the right, somewhere to hang your coats, and just in here, it's wardrobe, got extra bedding, coat hangers, ironing board, iron, and a safe. And then we come to the bathroom. So as you can see, we've got a sliding glass door there, toilet, extra towels there, hairdryer, which obviously I won't be needing, nice big mirror, towel rail again, nice big sink, complimentary stuff there, which is all nice, soaps, shower gels, then the shower itself. Now the problem we had with the other one is that when this glass door was shut like so, the water was coming out of there, running down here and then out into the hallway. Even though we had a towel down, there's just so much water coming out, I didn't see it. And then when I came out to the hallway, when the missus was calling me, I skidded on the floor, went backwards and forwards and smashed myself into there, which wasn't great. But anyway, apart from that, it is a very nice shower. As you can see, that's the bit going into the bedroom. It's a bit of a different design. A lot of natural daylight coming in. And yeah, it's nice and warm as well. A lot of showers, you know, when you're this high up, you'd have a problem maybe with the water pressure and that, but no, to be fair, it's spot on. Now, whilst the room is pretty much identical to the other one, apart from the view, there is one other big bonus to staying up on this floor. Let's go and check it out. So, just walking from our room, we go past the lifts and we come to the executive lounge. So, yeah, we use our key card, so not everyone can get in here. There we go, we can now get in. So in here we get some free treats. So starting off then, got this fridge, got fruit up there, carrot sticks and some other bits and bobs which I'll never eat. Some yogurts, sandwiches, 3 cans of Sprite, Coke, full sugar Coke, water, and that was a lot more stocked up when we came on the first day, but yeah, everyone does seem to ransack it. It's all well presented. Was a tea coffee machine there, but I don't know what's going on. Down for maintenance at the moment. And obviously being Christmas, it's all decorated nicely in here as well. So yeah, we've got a few decorations going on up there. Nice little seating area there. TV up on the wall. Free booze, yeah, so red, white and rosé. Again, when we came here first day, there's plenty of that, but yeah, we noticed there's a few Scottish there and that gets ransacked. And there's a certain person over there who likes a little tipple as well. Anyway, we get free nuts there, crisps. So yeah, a few little nibbles. Christmas tree in the corner. Nice little seating area there once again. A couple more tables over there. And an ice machine. Now, one of the great thing about this is the view out the window. Bit hard to see, but yeah, check that out. The city skyline, the view below. And there you have it then, guys. That was my little tour of the Riu Plaza Hotel in New York. Now, if you have enjoyed this video today, do us a favour and give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you already haven't, and hopefully catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.